Your camera may be displaying lines due to several reasons. One possible cause is damage to the camera's sensors or lens, which can occur as a result of falls or water damage. In such cases, replacing the damaged parts is necessary to restore normal functioning. Outdated software can also be a culprit, so it's essential to ensure that your camera's software is up to date by installing the latest version from the settings menu. A dirty camera lens can also cause lines, so inspecting the lens for dirt and cleaning it with a soft cloth may resolve the issue. Additionally, faulty connections between the mainboard and the camera unit, often caused by dust accumulation, loose or damaged wires, can also lead to this problem. To fix this, it may be necessary to contact an expert to dismantle the unit, clean it, or replace the damaged wires. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your camera and eliminate the lines.